All right, and we're back. Today's video is just another quick unpacking. Cut the end off, obviously. Hopefully we can get it out of the packaging itself. This is another piece of the puzzle for the Sport Glide. So, let's see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. All right. So, as you know, I've been stripping off all of the... if I can get this in the light so you can see which one it is. Okay. This is a points cover. And I've been stripping off all the Willie G stuff. And, of course, the bike has a Willie G points cover on it. So, I found this one on eBay. It's a OEM brand new takeoff. It was taken off at the dealership. And it cost me $19.19 shipped with tax. So, I didn't want to put a black one or a straight chrome one on. And, you know, I was hunting around, and then I found this one, which I thought was pretty nice. And what I want to do is, my wife is an amateur painter, and she has some nice acrylic paint. So what I might do is, I'm thinking is, filling in the bar and shield with black, and then carefully going along the outside of the bar and shield with Harley orange. Just to pretty it up a little bit and make it stand out. So... but like I said, it's a brand new takeoff. Price was right. Get rid of another piece of Willie G material that's on the bike. And I don't have much more left on there once I get this done. I think maybe 3 or 4 things. So, but like I said, as I find stuff that I want to replace, I put it on there. And then obviously everything is for sale. I've already sold the mirrors last week. And I have the rest of the stuff listed on Marketplace. So if you are in the New Jersey, say, southeast Pennsylvania area, you can come to me, or I'll meet you at the Stars and Stripes Harley dealership. And, if you're interested, shoot me a message on YouTube here, and I will send you a link to what's left. Okay. All right. With that said, keep an eye on the channel. And if I paint it, I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. If not, I'm just going to throw it on a bike. Obviously, I'll do a quick how-to. This is not a hard job. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.